Poor Wendy Williams. She going through everything what men go through. Marry the wrong motherfucker, get your money and build another motherfucker. That's what happened. It's hard on you. Your woman, in her case, her man, find a younger motherfucker, use all the money, your money, build that up, she fine and everything. You desperate all on your show trying to date anybody. It's killing her. Now why, man? It's hard on her. Funny as shit when she fainted. Nah, I made sure she was all right, but after I knew that, nigga, I laughed. Put that as on the DVR and I said, look at this motherfucker. Yeah, it was like timber. And she tall, looked like a big ass tree. I bet you ain't no one motherfucker pick her up by herself. Took two motherfuckers to get her up. It's hard to go to work and you making money and another motherfucker using it. Men been going through that shit all their life. That's why white men don't get no divorce. They kill they bitch. You wanna take half my shit, you going fishing. Get in the boat, bitch. Get in the boat. Where we going? Don't worry about it. Where we going, Billy? Don't worry about it. Just get your and get in the boat. Keep rolling that way. Look over there. What's over there? Hit her ass with a hammer. Wake up the next morning with a flyer. I don't know why I want to home. She went to Walmart at 4:30 in the morning. Got the whole neighborhood looking for that. She underneath the porch. But Wendy going through it. I feel her. So I'm making that bread, man. And the person you thought loved you, gone with your money, then get a young girl and buy her all the shit. You all on your show trying to find a man. Make you just have a nervous breakdown. She's strong, she man enough. I just be with Wendy, she with everybody else.